Today we're at Victory Leisure Homes, who is one of the largest UK manufacturers of these lodges. Supply Technologies supply millions of components to Victory Leisure Homes week in, week out, and they're extremely lean, and they concentrate now on the bigger picture and not worry about a nut or a bolt or a hinge or a handle.
Supply Technologies definitely helped us to be leaner and more efficient. We know exactly what we're using and when, and definitely as we move into more digital age with the Kanbans that we've got, we can control our spends and usage on all items. They're very intuitive to what we need and what we require, and a very slick, straightforward talking business, and it's something that we've appreciated and they've worked with us along our journey of growth and success.
What I'm pleased about that, they've gone very lean and they concentrate on the bigger picture to produce these wonderful lodges. And it's great to see them that they've grown year in, year out and are a success story.
If I was speaking to anybody who was unsure about using Supply Technologies, I would allay their fears with their attention to detail, professionalism and thorough service throughout.
Supply Technologies want to invest in growing businesses, in new tooling, in state-of-the-art vending machines, racks, bins, stock holding, everything just in time so the companies can grow.